Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge a Kia Niro EV step by step. First, park close to the charger, switch off the car, and open the charge port to begin. Confirm whether you need a CCS fast charger or a J1772 Level 2 cable. Inspect the connector for dirt, then plug in securely and wait for the vehicle to confirm charging before walking away for safe, consistent charging. Check battery level and plan charging sessions to suit your schedule and driving needs. Use Level 2 charging at home for daily top-ups and faster charging than a standard outlet. For long trips, map DC fast chargers along your route and allow brief stops to regain substantial range quickly without long dwell times. Also, set charging to stop at 80% when possible, and precondition the cabin while plugged in to save energy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future EV tips and guides. Quick recommendation: the handy Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading during charging stops and makes waiting more enjoyable. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel. Sharing this video helps others learn how to charge their EVs safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Identify your Kia Niro EV connector. CCS for DC fast charging and J1772 for Level 2 AC charging. Inspect cables and connectors for damage before use and report issues to station operators. When connecting, ensure the vehicle and charger communicate and wait for confirmation lights, then start charging and monitor initial charging rate for expected performance. Keep the charge port clean and avoid forcing connectors, and disconnect only after charging completes to maintain connector health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.